Upgrading your ride doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. From smart safety tech to sleek lighting and emergency-ready tools, these practical car accessories add confidence, convenience, and style to every drive. Whether you commute daily or love road trips, there's something here worth trying. All products links in the description section below. It's amazing how a subtle glow can completely transform your space. The Enquiries to PC's car USB night light bulb brings a warm, vintage-inspired touch to your car interior, bedroom, hallway, or even your camping setup. Just plug it into any USB port, tap to power it on, and hold to adjust the brightness to your comfort level. The compact glass design feels stylish without taking up space, making every late-night drive or quiet moment feel a little cozier. At just $12.30, elevate your nightly driving experience. Long drives demand gear you can truly rely on, especially when navigation and work apps are part of your daily routine. The APPS to car heavy-duty truck tablet holder is built for tough roads, gripping your windshield with a powerful suction base and stabilizing your device with its double-rib metal arm. Whether you're hauling across states, managing deliveries, or working the farm, it keeps your tablet steady and within easy reach. Designed for real truck life, it delivers confidence mile after mile. At just $27.99, upgrade your driving setup today. Staying aware on the road makes every drive smoother and safer. The Coolgadgets HUD GPS speedometer HUD display puts clear, real-time speed and driving data right on your dashboard with its crisp 6.8-inch IPS screen. No complicated wiring, just plug it into your cigarette lighter and go. With auto brightness, speed alerts, and fatigue reminders, it's perfect for daily commutes or long highway trips. Everything you need, displayed at a glance. At just $44.99, drive smarter every single day. There's nothing worse than turning the key and hearing nothing, especially when you're far from home. The Wolfbox for 0008 Jump Starter gives you instant confidence with serious power packed into a compact, travel-ready design. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or camping off-grid, it can restart up to 10 liters gas or diesel engines in seconds. The fast 65 West USB-C charging and built-in emergency flashlight make it more than a backup, it's a true roadside companion. At just $119.99, stay prepared for any unexpected roadside moment. Road trips, workdays, or spontaneous getaways all feel easier when you can power your essentials anywhere. The BMK200W Car Power Inverter turns your car's 12 volts outlet into a reliable charging hub, giving you dual AC outlets plus multiple USB ports for phones, laptops, tablets, and more. Whether you're catching up on work between stops or keeping devices alive on a family drive, it keeps everything running smoothly and safely. Compact, practical, and road-ready. At just $23.93, power your journey with confidence. Tight parking spaces and busy streets can leave frustrating little dings on your doors, but they don't have to. The Shove car side door edge guards add a simple layer of protection that keeps your paint safe from scratches and bumps. Made from durable rubber with easy 3M adhesive backing, they install in minutes and blend neatly into your vehicle's look. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or truck, it's an effortless way to protect your investment daily. At just $10.91, protect your doors with confidence. Sunny drives are great until harsh glare and heat make the ride uncomfortable. The Munchkin Brica magnetic stretch to fit sunshade keeps your car cooler while helping block harmful UV rays without blocking your view. The magnetic design snaps easily onto metal door frames, and the stretch to fit mesh adjusts 2 larger windows for better coverage. Perfect for family trips, school runs, or everyday commutes, it adds comfort in seconds. At just $35.99, make every sunny ride cooler and safer. Rainy mornings and foggy evenings can blur your mirrors at the worst possible moments. The GubCub side mirror squeegee makes clearing water quick and effortless, thanks to its retractable handle and soft rubber blade that wipes clean without scratching. You can reach both mirrors in seconds, no need to step out into the rain. Compact enough to store in your door pocket, it's a small tool that makes a big difference in visibility and safety. At just $7.39, keep your mirrors clear every drive. Keeping your car interior spotless doesn't have to be a chore. The Tuapio car interior cleaning brush combines soft, durable bristles with a perfectly sized handle to reach dashboards, air vents, and tight spaces without scratching surfaces. Lightweight, portable, and easy to store, it works just as well on home surfaces too. Every swipe traps dust efficiently, making routine cleaning quick and satisfying. For just $4.89, elevate your car care routine and keep your interior looking fresh every day. Long drives are more enjoyable when your music, calls, and devices all stay connected. The Fok by Car Bluetooth FM transmitter pairs seamlessly via a Bluetooth 5.3, streams hi-fi music, and lets you take hands-free calls clearly with noise cancellation. Its dual fast-charging ports keep phones and tablets powered on the go, while the sleek metal design fits neatly into your car's lighter socket. Whether running errands or cruising the highway, it makes every ride smarter and more convenient. At just $15.99, upgrade your in-car connectivity today. Keeping your eyes on the road just got easier and safer. The Cinetrag car heads-up display projects speed, compass direction, and overspeed alerts right onto your windshield, so you can stay informed without glancing down. Its universal GPS-based system works with virtually any vehicle, from SUVs to motorcycles, and plugs in easily via USB or a lighter adapter. Perfect for daily commutes or long trips, it helps prevent speeding and promotes safer driving habits. At just $16.99, enhance your drive with smarter, safer visibility. Long drives are easier when all your devices stay powered without cluttering your car. The BYD 4-in-1 retractable car charger combines a compact, space-saving design with fast 69W charging from multiple devices at once. Its retractable cables extend up to 31 inches, keeping your car organized while powering iPhones, Androids, and USB-C gadgets efficiently. Perfect for commuters, road trippers, or anyone juggling multiple devices, it keeps you connected on the go. At just $12.98, enjoy smart, hassle-free charging every drive. Unexpected roadside situations can happen anytime, and being prepared makes all the difference. The Talu 12-pack LED emergency roadside lights offers versatile, durable warning beacons with 9 flashing modes, waterproof construction, and magnetic or hook placement for quick setup. Perfect for cars, trucks, boats, or outdoor adventures, they help alert others and keep you safe in low visibility conditions. Compact enough to store in your trunk yet powerful enough to be seen in bad weather, they're essential for every driver. At just $47.99, stay prepared and visible anytime. Emergencies are rare, but when they happen, every second counts. The Solderide 2-in-1 window breaker seatbelt cutter is a compact tool designed to give you peace of mind on every drive. With a powerful tungsten steel tip for breaking tempered glass, a built-in seatbelt cutter, and a rechargeable flashlight with strobe mode, it's ready when you need it most. Small enough for your keychain yet strong enough for critical moments, it's smart preparation for any vehicle. At just $19.99, add confidence to every journey you take. If you love a clean dashboard but still want clear driving data, this upgrade fits right in. The Voyacar Digital Speed Meter HUD displays your speed and compass in bright, colorful digits without needing any film on your windshield. Powered by GPS, it works with virtually any vehicle and plugs in easily via USB, no complicated setup required. It even turns on and off automatically with motion, keeping things effortless. At just $24.99, add modern clarity to every drive you take. Backing into tight spots or hitching up a trailer doesn't have to feel stressful anymore. The Autovox Solar Wireless Backup Camera gives you crisp 108p clarity on a bright 5-inch monitor, making every reverse smoother and safer. With a simple 2-minute install, no drilling or wiring, you'll be up and running fast. The solar-assisted battery lasts for months, and the waterproof build handles any weather. At $103.99, it's a smart upgrade for confident everyday parking and reversing. Whether you're commuting to school, heading out on a road trip, or hauling gear for the weekend, peace of mind on the road makes all the difference. The Time ATM7 tire pressure monitoring system keeps real-time pressure and temperature data right in front of you with a bright, easy-to-read display. DEFAU with simple plug-in power and wireless sensors. Setup takes just minutes. Smart alerts help you catch issues early and avoid bigger problems later. At $29.99, it's a small upgrade that protects every mile ahead. Dead battery, low tire pressure. Don't let roadside surprises ruin your day. The Thermomex Jumpstarter with air compressor packs serious power into one compact device. With a 6,000 A peak to revive 12 volts vehicles and a 180 PSI inflator for quick tire top-ups, it's built for real-life emergencies. The 26,800 mAh battery also works as a fast-charging power bank, and the built-in LED light adds extra nighttime security. At $89.99, it's ready for whatever comes next. Want to give your ride a sleek, head-turning upgrade without a complicated install? The YME Bright LED Hood Light Strip adds a bold dynamic skin effect when you start your car, then settles into a clean glow while you drive. It's flexible, waterproof, and easy to trim for a custom fit, making it perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Whether you're cruising at night or just love subtle style upgrades, at $15.69, it's an easy way to stand out effortlessly on the road. Changing lanes in busy traffic can feel tense, especially when you're not fully sure what's hiding beside you. The Utopicar Long Blind Spot Car Mirror expands your view with a sleek, engineered convex design that shows more of the next lane and less glare from the sky. It's adjustable, easy to install with strong outdoor-rated adhesive, and blends seamlessly with your side mirrors. Small upgrade, big confidence boost. At $13.20, drive smarter every single day. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.